The 2015 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.